Hello, everybody. This time we'll be completing the step number 8 of the online compliance monitoring report. Paano ba kumpletuhin ang online CMR? Ano ba mga nakapaloob sa step number 8 ng online compliance monitoring report? Dito po sa online compliance monitoring report, pinapakita po dito sa step number 8 yung report on status of environmental budget allocations and expenses. Meron po ditong implementation of management plan and programs at saka implementation of the monitoring plan. So has to do with the implementation of the environmental management and monitoring plan and or programs at kung magkano ang mga budget at expenses. So meron ditong item, environmental impact mitigation plan. Magkano ang nagastos po dyan mula doon sa allocated budget. So halimbawa meron tayong mga nakitang impact sa environment in water, in air, to prevent that impact para mas lalong magkaroon ng effects sa ating katubigan o hangin o sa mga tao, ni-utilize natin yung budget allocated sa environmental impact mitigation plan. So we have halimbawa 5,000 na budget direct from the company at yung ating expenses po doon sa ano na yon, sa item na yon, environmental impact mitigation plan. Kung tayo nagkaroon ng multi-partite monitoring team, magkano naman ang budget for the multi-partite monitoring team at magkano naman yung expenses. Now here we have the item, environmental impact mitigation plan shall provide the budget and the expenses. And always click save kung meron tayong entry. Ano pa ang mga items dito na pwede nating sagutin kung ano magkano ang budget at magkano ang expenses? Yung ating social development plan, yung ating information education communication plan, kung meron pa tayong iba pang enhancement program. At ganoon din sa implementation of monitoring plans, we are providing expenses, information on our expenses and budget and the implementation of self-monitoring, environmental monitoring fund, environmental guarantee fund. So mula po dyan, ang pinaka highlights lang naman po dito is to provide information on our budget allocation and the expenses for the monitoring period. So kung ang monitoring period natin ay January to June, magkano ang nagastos, magkano ang budget at magkano ang nagastos for that monitoring period January to June or July to December. So sa isang semester, magkano ang budget at magkano ang expenses. So yan lamang po ang item at yung mga information na kailangan i-provide sa step number 8. Do not forget to click save for every row para po ma-encode yan sa system. Okay po. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat and I hope may natutunan po kayo. At kung gusto niyo po pong malaman kung paano naman kumpletuhin ang step number 9, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Maraming salamat po at God bless us all.